Recalling a saved program on the Erco Bender series is fast and straightforward. A few quick taps on the screen and the system is ready to run. The controller supports YBC, XYZ, and centerline input values to coordinate the electric servo-driven feeding and rotation, along with the hydraulic CNC-driven bending. Select Programs, then open your Polar file. Press Edit to review your parameters. Here you can see your active program details right alongside the toolset and the springback file. Next, select Graphic, tap Simulate. Let the 3D simulation run completely through to check for any part clearances or potential tool collisions before you start. Once the simulation looks good, press Exit, then hit Escape to return to the home page. Select Automatic Mode, go to Program Select, and hit the Select button on the right side of the display. With the program locked in, pick up your hand control, press the Start button, and let the machine execute the bend.